was just another bubble-headed blonde bimbo. Well, the joke's on you. I'm not even a real blonde.
These voices in my head feel like a drill. He's telling me that we have to kill your mom, but I can't seem to trigger this bomb. Darn.
As long as you're with me, you will never get hurt.
I don't care who I piss off, yeah, I'm a real big sinner.
Whenever he says, old friend, he's really saying, F you.
That's untrue, old friend.
She can never, ever, ever be put back together.
Now he will never, ever, ever give me back my